Focus lang. Pag na-overwhelm ka na sa mga ginagawa mo, pag masyado ng marami, siguro kailangan mo ng focus. Ibig sabihin, ang dami mong tinanggap na trabaho, ang dami mong kinumit, at ngayon hindi mo na alam anong uunahin. Kaya kailangan talaga, at least once a week, may focus check. Pwede mong itanong sa sarili mo, ginagawa ko pa ba ang dapat kong ginagawa? Ginagawa ko pa ba ang mga priorities ko? Because there's just a lot of things that makes us busy, but they take us away from our priorities. At minsan, nagiging excuse na rin. Kasi yung mga priorities na yan, madalas mahirap gawin. Being busy with other things apart from your priorities can be a form of procrastination. You feel good na busy ka, pero actually, hindi mo ginagawa yung dapat mong fino-focus. Kaya balikan mo muna yung priorities mo, adjust them, and make sure inuuna mo siya. At bigyan ng tamang oras para mangyari na ang dapat mangyari. Iwasan ang mga distractions by committing to time blocks that can help you get the work done. Also, kung kaya mong ibigay sa iba yung trabaho na yan, i-delegate mo or i-empower mo yung iba to do that work. Baka mas makakatulong pa. Try to always work within your area of competence. Kasi lahat tayo, may genius zone tayo. May mga bagay na magaling tayo. And the more you spend time in that zone, you can do more excellent work. My prayer for you is to be able to simplify your work and having the fulfillment of doing a good job.